A very good morning to all the parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to the online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Nursery, subject Maths. So, today, are you ready? Students, are you ready? How to write a number 1 again? We have to repeat. Okay, आज हम वापस repeat करेंगे number 1. Okay, you have learned how to write number 1. आपने learn किया है right? 1 कैसे लिखते हैं? Okay, now tell me what is this? स्टार. वेरी गुड. ये क्या है? ये स्टार है. सो टेल मी स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ मेनी स्टार? कितनी स्टार है यहाँ पे? 1. वेरी गुड. देयर इज ओनली 1 स्टार. देयर आर ओनली 1 स्टार. कितनी स्टार है? 1 स्टार. सो टुडे अगेन वी विल राइट नंबर 1. ओके, आज हम वापस नंबर 1 रिपीट करेंगे. ओके, सो नाउ टेक आउट योर पेंसिल एंड इरेजर. आपको पेंसिल और इरेजर आपके पास होना चाहिए, राइट? सो दैट वी कैन राइट. ओके, now you have to hold your pencil like this. Okay, ऐसे पेंसिल को पकड़ना है. So now let me teach you again how to write number 1. Okay, you have to repeat with me. आपको मेरे साथ repeat करना है. Okay, क्या करना है? Repeat करना है. You have to repeat with me. Now standing line you have to put here. Okay, you have to put your pencil here. Standing line. What number is this? 1. Very good. Again, standing line. What number is this? 1. Good. Again, standing line. 1. What number is this? 1. Very good. Again, standing line. 1. Repeat with me. Standing line. 1. Again, standing line. 1. Standing line. 1. Very good. Standing line. 1. Wow, very good. You are learning. See, you are learning how to write number 1. Again, standing line. 1. Again, repeat with me. मेरे साथ repeat करना है. Okay, standing line. 1. Again, standing line. 1. Repeat with me, students. Standing line. 1. Again, standing line. 1. Very good. See, you are learning, right? You are learning. So you have to practice, okay? You have to practice. Standing line. 1. Very good. Again, repeat with me. Standing line. What number is this? 1. Very good. Again, standing line. 1. Again, standing line. 1. Repeat with me. Standing line. 1. Standing line. 1. Very good. What number is this? 1. Repeat with me. Standing line. 1. Very good. Again, standing line. 1. Standing line. one. Standing line, one. Repeat with me, okay? Standing line, one. Standing line, one. Standing line, one. Very good. Again, repeat with me. Standing line, one. Standing line, one. Very good. Repeat with me. Standing line, one. Standing line, one. Standing line, one. Very good. This is the last one. Tell me what number is this? 1. Very good. So today we have learned the number 1. आज हमने क्या लर्न किया है? Number 1. Again we have repeat, right? So now you have to practice in your homework. Okay, you have to practice how to write number 1. You have to practice in your homework and then take a picture, send it to the school WhatsApp number. Okay, आपको homework में क्या करना है? Number 1 ऐसे practice करना है and then आपको picture click करके उसके बाद क्या करना है? आपको फ़ोटो क्लिक करके स्कूल के जो व्हाट्सएप नंबर है उसमें आपको सेंड करना है. ओके, टिल देन यू प्रैक्टिस एट होम. थैंक यू, बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर.